Morning guys, we're back here in Surfside Jetty, Freeport, Texas. We just got here. Oh, okay. Like I said, we just got here, 9 o'clock a.m. I'm using the fish bite for bait at this moment. Mabigay din sa akin. Gusto mo bigitan ko sa'yo? Okay, first fish. It's a croaker. Okay.
First catch.
First catch. There you go. Charlie got.
Use it for bait. We're running out of bait.
I know.
Here for like an hour. That's my first small.
What is this?
Small fish.
Use it for bait. Oops. This is useless, man. This is useless. Yung layo ah. Come on, fishy. Ang dami higit eh.
Small.
There you go.
For bait.
I know. Alright guys, this is a nice size croaker. Huh? Not bad, huh? Yeah.
That's my second.
See, look at that.
Yay.
So we're gonna keep this. Yeah, mom, catch some more croaker, mama. I think croaker's coming.
Okay.
Croaker's coming. Catch some croakers. Catch some croakers. So the weight's better, huh? Ma, yung weight mo, okay? Ano pinataay mo? Isda?
Fish and isda.
I'm gonna give me some. Wala ka ng isda. I'll give me some of this.
The small one, Dad.
I know, I see it. Catch this shit, man. Got some fish, man. Yun! Ayan o. Sakto yan. Huli ako ng isda yan.
What the heck is that?
I don't know. What is this? Oh, it's a fish rock, maybe?
I don't know. I don't know before that.
Oh, wait a minute. I don't wanna.
Don't touch that.
I know. I just don't wanna hurt my hand.
Stonefish.
Oh, stonefish. There you go. Maybe stonefish.
I have to think about the name.
I think stonefish.
Maybe you can use that for bait?
No,
No.
I have to let them go. Come on, open your mouth, man. Gee. Oh shoot. There you go.
It's hard to get.
Yeah, I got it out. Okay, guys. Oops. Oh no. I'm coming. I'm getting it. Okay. Okay, 1, 2. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Walang lakas.
What the fuck? Get in here. There you go. It's a dum-dum. Oh, it is a shark. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a shark, though. Shark home.
Oh, vienen, chavo, pero traía lo de arriba. Ah, no, ese es otro.
Aquí hay mucho de eso.
Sí, ¿verdad?
That's a big shame.
No, pero es que este está enredado con mi línea nada más.
We're gonna be okay. Ah, buti pa ito nakakauli. What the fuck? I don't catch anything, man. Shit.
Kaya lang, hindi na kaya nung kamay ko talaga kumila.
So manuli yan dyan lang?
Dad, masa'yo daw. Hindi sabi ko sa'yo.
This one? Kaya mo, ma'am? Hey. Sabit na naman. God damn, sabit eh. Nato. Shit, sinagap ang tartado. Yeah. It's a nice croaker. Damn it, I didn't catch anything. Pero putol oh.
Asan ang pisulog niya? Wala, naputo lahat.
Hindi, doon na. Okay, good croaker. And sand trout. How much is this for bait?
Lagay mo muna doon para po.
Oh, yeah. Naputol ah, tatin mo ah. Naputol.
Ano yan?
Hindi, putol ba? Hindi.
Ang galing.
Triste, no? Ladyfish, guys. Look at.
Ito mo yan?
I'm gonna use it for bait. I'm gonna use it for bait. Ladyfish.